if they hear Odogu, they hear so Odogu. See them there. Let them there. We are outside. There's some village things.
They're outside though.
I beg, tell us who rock pass, who rock and
Of
pass.
course, with me, you guys know. I am the first from Mr.
But I don't mind, but I'll be
Let me allow you guys to enjoy. She rock more than I do.
You can see.
I do the rocking.
You can see.
I do the rocking. Okay, let them say. Let them
You
tell
guys
us.
know I talk well. That's the obvious fact. They're not the drag. They're not the...
They are bullying me. So we have a couple of other guests. This is
Going live again.
Pinto.
Okay, so
Pinto. Have you heard that name? Pinto. And you have church. No Maya. She. Okay, that's my handbag over there. Handbag, say hi. Can your handbag ever be? Okay. That's what we'll do. You see that? Are you getting it? Are you getting it? That's how we do. This Uyodogu want to outweigh me. I no agree. I no agree. Say no to bully. No agree for nobody. You feel me? That's so. Let's walk. Okay, guys. I'll keep you guys posted and updated. I love you guys.
I love you guys. I love you.
Peace out.